Okay guys, back to Ask Scruff in the Traders Clinic, and it's one for Simon. Quite simple question, so just flick this over. Got a quick question regarding the ATR using your Fivers account. Very good. Fivers are the only prop firm that I'll put my name to. I still use them personally, and their ethics are fantastic. If you want to try it, there's a link down below and you get a little discount. On the pound US, it's showing a daily range of 1187, 119 pips, and it's a lot higher than 72 pips my sheet's showing. Is the variance between brokers, or do I need to adjust settings on the ATR for different feeds? Right. Brokers to brokers, the ATR will be slightly different. You'll often find prices are slightly different as well, because they come in on different feeds. Now, I use a single platform to get my ATR from, which is the web trader that you see me. And I update it pretty much once a month or once a fortnight. It's probably due for an update as it is now. The ATR is just a guide. It's a guide of how far the market will move on a given day. So it doesn't have to be absolutely gospel. Okay? And remember that nothing in trading is sort of absolute 100%. This must fit in that box. It doesn't work like that. The charts are quite a living, breathing thing. Now, if you've got an ATR, and in this case, yours is like 119 pips, that'll give you the daily breadth of how far that's going to move. And then you want a certain percentage of that in return. And that's kind of why you divide it by 3 again. I wouldn't really change anything. If you trade what you see with the platform that you see, it's why sometimes I see a lot of arguments inside sort of various discussion groups, and one thing like, oh, it's moving here and it's moving there. It's because they're looking at two different platforms, and it's almost like reading two different books. Okay, so the narrative will be slightly different in each book, even if it's telling the same story. So trade what you see and don't worry about what another platform's doing. So if it says it's 119, that chart will work to 119. Mine will work to 70. I've just done an update on it, actually. It's moved up slightly. It's now nearer 90 because of the volatility over the last couple of weeks. So it's not a million miles off, but there are still key differences. So essentially, whatever platform you're using, take what it tells you as gospel and then trade to that, because the chart will respect it. Okay, but if you try to force data into your chart that's coming from a different feed, the pricing will be completely different. So it'll confuse you. I hope that kind of makes sense in a roundabout way. But the moral of the story is just trade what you see on the platform that you use. Catch you soon.